Hello everyone. I've made a Splitwise MCP configuration generator. So, what does this do? It actually helps you to split your expenses through our LLM chatbot. So, basically, we all use Splitwise in our daily life through like our friend groups or flatmates. But we all know it is hard to create unequal splits across multiple friends if to figure out who owes how much. And also there is a daily limit of expenses to be created on Splitwise. So to avoid both of these things, I've created this MCP Splitwise generator, confusion generator. We can attach this to a LLM model, and then through a chat interface you can analyze all your bills, and uh, you can split the amount accordingly. So let's go to a demo for this. So this is the website, you can see, and here we'll click on generate MCP configs. So once you click this, you will have a authorize button. I click on authorize, and it's authorized to as Splitwise, and you see the MCP configuration with VS Code, cursor, or plot. This configuration works across all the MCP clients if they support MCP protocol. So I mostly use VS Code Copilot, so I'll copy this configuration. And to see the setup guide, we can see here, and we can also see the setup guide from this link. So you'll see that it is mentioned here that how you can connect this to VS Code. So it says to create a .vs code folder and mcp.json file. So let's do that. ठीक है भाई. Let's create a folder .vs code, and then we can create a file here, VS Code and mcp.json, and let's paste the configuration here. Uh, okay, and then we see a pop-up button that 9 tools are available. Let's start the server. So the server started, and now I can see that let's start that if this agent Copilot is able to connect to our Splitwise MCP or not. So I have some questions with me. So let's ask him some questions. So I'll ask him to get me the list of Splitwise groups. So let it query to MCP server, and it does this list groups query, and then it fetches these two groups. So our configuration is connected successfully. So these are two groups. Then most of us has bills generally, and we try to split that bill across multiple people. So let me simulate this for you. So I have a photo of this bill. Let me paste it here, and a prompt to create expense. For this bill in friends group where I owe milk and paneer, and split the remaining items among the remaining all three people. So let's see how our agent behaves for this. So it started working, and then it says to calculate the total for each item, determine the split. So it says that I owe these two items, and the remaining items will be splitted equally. Then it says I'll owe this much amount, and then remaining would be split equally. So my total would be 214. She owes this, and Ankit owes this too, and the total amount matches to 304. Then it says that he needs a permission. So I say, sure, you can create. Sure, you can create. Ideally, now it should call the expense API or call expense and our MCP server to create the expense. It does it, and let's see if it was successful in doing it. So it says the expense has been created successfully in the friends group. And this is the real information of that. Let me ask him to give me the latest expense. So you're sure that the expense was created successfully. So ideally now it should call the list expense. It is calling that. And then we receive our last expense which was created. So this makes sure that the split was successfully created. Let's just ask key how much people owe me in this friends group. So let's see. So perfect. Nishita owes me 44 and Ankit owes me this, so it's fine. Now let us delete. I'll ask him to delete the expense. Can you delete the expense? So that tomorrow no one will scold me for this. And ideally, this should now be deleted in some time. I don't know how it's taking that much time. Third, the call was successful. Success, the expense has been deleted. Okay, so the Splitwise agent was able to the bot was able to connect with the MCP server successfully. So thanks for staying for the demo till the end, and I hope you will give it this MCP server generator a try, and let me know if you have any feedbacks for this, and you can drop your feedbacks in the comment section, and like we can discuss about that there. Thanks.